Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Welcome back, children! Today, we are going to practice reading sentences. Are you ready? Let's start. I want to be a doctor. Again. I want to be a doctor. Your turn to read, children. I want to be a teacher. Again. I want to be a teacher. Your turn to read, children. I want to be a fireman. Again. I want to be a fireman. Your turn to read, children. I want to be a pilot. Again. I want to be a pilot. Your turn to read, children. I can dance gracefully. Again. I can dance gracefully. Your turn to read, children. I can play guitar. Again. I can play guitar. Your turn to read, children. I can play the piano. Again. I can play the piano. Your turn to read, children. I can write my name. Again. I can write my name. Your turn to read, children. I can read stories in my book. Again, I can read stories in my book. Your turn to read, children. I can jump up high. Again, I can jump up high. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a teacher. I want to be a fireman. I want to be a pilot. I can dance gracefully. I can play guitar. I can play the piano. I can write my name. I can read stories in my book. I can jump up high. Great job, children! Remember to always practice reading so you could be a good and a fast reader. Also, please make sure that you have clicked the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.